Okay, so we've had quite a few days of practicing and modeling and talking through our annotations. So now it's time for you to show us your understanding. So we have a new text for you to read. It's titled Embarrassed. Blame Your Brain. And it's actually really interesting, guys. I think you're going to enjoy it. So we're going to kind of split it in half for you. So today you're going to read paragraphs 1 through 8 and show your thinking along the way. This will be for a grade, so please be sure that when you show your annotations and you show your thinking, you really explain your thinking. In other words, if I'm going to put a V down for visualization, then I'm not going to say V, I can visualize. I can infer. Heart, this is my favorite part. Remember, your job is to be explaining your thinking. What can you visualize? What is it that you're able to infer? What is it that you loved on that part that made it your favorite part? So be sure that you're explaining thoroughly and completely your thoughts as you're creating those annotations. So again, today Embarrassed, blame your brain, paragraphs 1 through 8.